All right, we're going to use this box and whisker plot that's already created to identify these numbers. So the median is the one in the middle, the dot in the middle, and it looks like it is right at 12 or a little bit more. I'm going to just go with 12 here. And our minimum value looks like it is right at 6. Maximum looks like 19. Lower quartile is that number in between the minimum and the median. So our lower quartile is 8, and our upper quartile is 15, and our interquartile range. So that is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile, and that would be 7. Okay, so we're going to take this data set and we're going to make a box and whisker plot. So the first thing we need to do is line up our numbers from least to greatest. All right, so that's actually already been done. So we need to find the median. So you need to look for your middle data number. So our median is 22. Okay, so then minimum is 5. Our maximum is 31. Okay, so now we need to look at our lower quartile and upper quartile. So the lower quartile would be your median of your lower set of data, and it looks like that would be right here at 15. So lower quartile is 15, and our upper quartile, our median is right here at 28. And then our interquartile range, so 28 minus 15 would equal 13. So what you're going to do is draw a straight line, like a number line. All right, I have that number line drawn, and I need to have it going all the way up to 30 or 31. So if I were to do that, I could say that this would be 0, and then I'm going to make this go all the way up here to about 30. So I just kind of estimate my points. And just do the best that you can. So we're going to first plot our median, and it's at 22. So plot your median, draw a line through it. And then you're going to plot your lower quartile, so 15, and draw a line through. And then your upper quartile, which is 28, and you want to draw a line through that. And then remember, you connect these to make a rectangle. And then now we need to draw the whisker. So your minimum is 5. So connect that with a whisker. And then your maximum is 31. So you're going to connect that with a whisker. And then you have your box and whisker plot. So I want you to go through and try the last problem, and then we will, and then you can pause your video, create it, and then come back and check your answers. Okay, so I have, the first thing you had to do was notice that these were not in order, so you would have to rewrite them in order to get your data. So I listed out my median, max, quartiles, and my interquartile range. And then I made my box and whisker plot, and this is definitely some very spread out data because you have quite a big of a difference between your minimum and your maximum. But the chunk of your data is all within this box right here on your box and whisker plot.